In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Namecheap to HostGator seamlessly. This process may seem daunting at first, but with a few steps and a little patience, you'll have your domain transferred in no time. Let's dive in and walk through each step together to make this as smooth as possible. The first thing we need to do is unlock your domain at Namecheap. To begin, head over to the Namecheap website and log into your account where your domains are managed. Once you're logged in, go to the Domain List section. Find the domain you want to transfer and click on Manage next to it. You'll see different settings here, but what we're interested in is the Domain Lock option. If it says Enabled, you'll need to deactivate it by toggling the switch off. Unlocking your domain is crucial as it makes your domain eligible for transfer. With the domain now unlocked, our next task is to get the EPP code, which is also known as the authorization code. This is a unique code that's required to securely transfer your domain from one registrar to another. Still in the Manage view of your domain, scroll down until you find the section labeled Transfer. Here, you'll see the option to get your EPP code. Click on it, and Namecheap will either display the code for you right there, or they might choose to email it to you for security reasons. Keep this code handy as you'll need it shortly. Now that you have the EPP code, let's head over to HostGator and start the transfer process. Log into your HostGator account portal. Once logged in, navigate to the domain transfer section. You'll find it either on your dashboard or under a Domains tab, depending on your dashboard layout. Here, you will enter the name of the domain you are transferring. Be sure to type it in exactly right to avoid any errors. With the domain name entered, the next field you'll see asks for the EPP code. Carefully input the EPP code you retrieve from Namecheap. Double check that the code is correct. Misplacing even a single character can break the process. With everything filled out, go ahead and confirm the domain transfer. This step usually triggers a confirmation email to the administrative contact's email address on your domain's WHOIS information. Head to your email and look for the confirmation email from Namecheap or their relevant registrar partner. Follow the instructions in the email to approve the domain transfer. This step is important as it secures your permission for the transfer. Once you've confirmed the transfer via email, all you need to do is wait for the transfer to complete. This process might take anywhere from a few days to a week.